Wisconsin shoe guy, and here is a brand new pair of Paolo Scafora suede wingtips, and so I'm very excited to share these shoes with you. Paolo Scafora is an Italian brand and known for their very deep attention to details. Extra pair of shoelaces, which is always nice. See, they have 2 shoe bags instead of 1, like some other brands. Let's take a look at this. You can see the evenness of the stitching. See the attention to detail on the sole. Holy cow, look at that sole. So excited to wear these. You get a great contrast stitch. Got a great hand-carved sole. And look at that. And this is a special makeup for Scotty Bloquette. It is super exciting. These bags almost feel like suede. It's just a very thick felt. You can see the same pattern on the bag as on the sole. Look at that. It's just really fine attention to detail. Got no fudging on these shoes, but really solid leather sole. You can see that they did the edging there differently. See, it's a beveled edge. Not a beveled, well, it is a beveled waist. Look at that. And I didn't notice that before. So, once again, the suede here, very high quality stitching. And you just go along here. You can see the contrast stitch all the way throughout. A little piece there looks like the suede's a little dirty. Before I use my suede eraser on that, get that out. And see the stitching throughout the shoe. Not quite uniform. You get a little bit of out of place there and a little out of place. But all said and done, just a really, really nice example of Italian craftsmanship. And look forward to it. So this is Paolo Scafora. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and I am